What's up, everybody, and welcome to another episode of Q&A Thursday. Today is going to be a little different. We are going to be going around. You're going to be following me around. And if you are an agent and you've always wanted to know what the day in the life of an agent looks like, or if you're just a person out there who is just infatuated with the real estate industry and you want to know what this business looks like for agents on an everyday basis, especially if you are a working agent, right? Today is for you. So stay tuned. Hope you vibe with us for a little bit. We're going to be all over the place. Hello.
Hi.
How are you, Steve Gunner?
Nice to meet you, Kathy.
Hey,
I just shot you an email.
Oh, good.
I'm doing well, thank you. You're signing the seller CD?
Yes.
Okay, you guys can come over
cool.
here. I'm sending you a revised CD because it just came to my attention this morning that there was a $1,500 seller credit.
Okay, good.
On this transaction, so I updated the CD to reflect that.
Awesome.
So that did change slightly. If you'll have a seat.
Okay, cool.
Grab the CD.
Settlement day.
Alright.
Okay.
Here is a copy of the updated closing disclosure.
Cool.
The only thing that changed was the seller credit. It was $1,500, but they took part of the $1,500 and applied it towards a tax service fee being paid by the seller. So if you add 65 and this number here, you'll get $1,500.
Cool.
All right.
Cool.
So if everything looks okay to you, what you'll do is you'll sign her name, comma, your name, comma, agent.
Okay.
Yep.
So right now it's the settlement. So the seller, I represent the seller, so the seller doesn't have to be here. And I'm signing closing documents for the seller. And basically after this, the seller gets paid. Everyone else involved in the transaction gets paid. And it is, generally speaking, for most people, a good day. Although, for some people, it's not always a good day. But today is actually a good day. I would say how much money she's getting, but I can't do that. She's going to be happy. Happy customers. We got money. Money back. Yo, John, what up?
Hey man, what's going on?
All right, brother. So the unthinkable happened last night. They made their offer, and obviously, you know, we can't go over numbers, but they came over. It's over list price. So I wanted to call you back and give you a fair shake at this thing. Again, we're not kind of like going and doing like everybody come with, you know, highest and best offer or anything of that sort. Just want to make sure I'm just trying to be as fair as possible. So I just wanted to let you know what was going on. I don't know if the credit union can get this thing closed in under 45 days per se. I will say that part of the seller's decision making at this point is she would prefer not to do a pay another month's rent, as we all would prefer not to. In addition to that, I think due diligence fee is probably going to be something that is also kind of part of this thing as well. So just wanted to hit you up, man, and let you know what's going on so that you got a fair shake at this thing. All right.
Yep.
Okay. All right. Let me know, John.
Yeah.
All right. He doesn't sound happy. Yeah.
Seeing how you guys have got multiple offers, my guess is that you're going to move pretty quickly, correct?
We actually just accepted something.
Oh, okay.
Yep. Were y'all were thinking about bringing an offer?
Well, my clients are just kind of in the beginning process, and because of timing on other issues, we couldn't close till August anyway.
Oh, okay.
So I just wanted to check in to see, what your timing was. They absolutely love the place. The only downside was the backyard being a little small, but the interior was exactly what they've been looking for.
Gotcha.
So it's too bad it didn't work out this time, but congratulations on getting it under contract.
Appreciate it. Absolutely. Maybe we'll do a deal on another one.
All right. Sounds like a plan, sir. Thank you.
Take care.
Yeah, bye-bye.
When you snooze, you lose. That's... How long ago did we call that agent?
An hour ago?
Yeah, more than... I think it was like about almost 2 hours ago now. I mean, listen, if you're an agent, speed is everything. Speed kills in this business. And if you are not picking up your phone or you're slow to return messages, I know some people act like they're super important and they can get back to people whenever, but in this business, speed is the asset, and people who take long to get back with people lose out on deals. It's just a true statement. It's an actual fact. That's it. So what we're doing, guys, right now is we're out at a house. We are doing a follow-up inspection with a contractor and plumbers here as well, and we're just trying to assess whether or not there are certain repairs really needed or not. And so overall, good shape, older house, so obviously has its issues, but nothing that I don't think can't be remedied. Listen, guys, thanks so much for watching another episode of Q&A Thursday. Now our day comes to an end. I still got more work to do, but you guys can't come with me, unfortunately. So hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time.